Hello YouTube, welcome back to another vlog. Happy Tuesday to you and to you. Yeah, I'm getting dolled up because I'm going on the road. Yeah. Alright, so this is the outfits. Comment below, let me know what you think of my outfits. I'm gonna put some of this in it. So this is coconut milk. It smells really good. I recommend you girlies or even males can get one using your hair. I'm not gonna use a lot because I don't want the hair dry out. And that's it. Little tips and you're good to go because it's very strong and it smells really nice. Alright, so green slippers. We got the really nice. Yeah. That's it. Look how the blend up yourself, so I wonder if in your pot, guys. Alright, let's see what's going on inside. Please head to the lobby and wait for your name to be called down. Oh, this is pretty. What meats? Okay. Look at some up local foods. Imported kidney. This is imported. See if them have oh, pig trotters. So pig fresh pork, cow cod. Look at this, guys. Cow cod, kidney, boneless stew, shoulder steak, so a salt beef here, salt beef,
yeah, this.
and subscribe to the channel, like, share, and hit the notification bell for advanced reality. Circle back. To mess with. Yeah. is Best Taste Pastries. I've seen my buy it multiple times, so yeah. Oh, this is the stew beef. All purpose. And these. Second one. And so this one, Shein. Open this one. Shein, 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 Shein. Okay. But this is not how it looks on the pic. Yeah, I'm gonna film at the pic and show you. And I still look on the pic. I didn't know it had glitters. Yeah. Okay. Cute. And this is a panty, guys. It's a penny. Now, tear up on the panty. Moving along. Let me open this one first. Open that one, yeah. Okay. So the side is adjustable. So you pull it up or you pull it down. Cute. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Alright, this is the top for it. This is the top. Top. Try this at the back. So this comes with this. The bottom piece, it says Jamaica. That's what it says. Nice. The top. Okay, and then it has, oh, nice. That's nice. So it's a 3-piece. I don't even have to wear this top over it. You can wear this top differently. You know, if you put yourself together, it won't be an issue, right? So, right, next. Morning, guys. Let me see something. Okay. Sure, how can I entanglement this? Okay, so these are, oh, some of them pink. Alright, so all of them are pink with different patterns at the front. So these are on these. Alright. So I have a rabbit on this one. A rabbit. Then you have a cherry on this one. This is just a word. Yeah, the name. This says honey. This has a broken heart. This is a strawberry. Yeah, it is a strawberry, guys. Alright. Oops. We almost missed one. This is a teddy bear. Show you guys this one. Black and white straps. And the heart at the back. Outfit number 1. So I'm trying to improvise, like stand up on the couch so we can see the full length of the outfit. Yep. This is it. Alright, 360. This is the back. Side view. Little splits at the front. Yeah. I'm gonna look a close up. Alright. Alright. America's Next Top Model. So this is it without the tops. So I'm gonna put on the top now. There's the top. The top is optional. Alright. Here's the top. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Hello. So guys, interested in subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so you can see when I wear this outfit. Hello, I get a full 360. So subscribe. This cute though. Let me give it a close up. This is the top. Yeah, this nice. Turn. Top, it's you can tie it this way or you can put it around your neck. Let me show you. Like this. And then can tie around your neck. Okay. It's optional. I like it right here. I like it right here at the front. It is tight. And the back suit just hold up your girlies. Right. So as myself, if you don't want the 360 look on these swimsuits, you have to subscribe to my channel. For when I wear these outfits, you get the full 360. Okay, so I have the adjustable side right here. So adjust it to how you want it. Okay. Beach, beach, beach. Yeah. Beach, beach.